Utilize social media. Share snippets of your ebook on various social media platforms such as Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Use hashtags and relevant keywords to reach a wider audience. Use email marketing. Send out an email to your subscribers, announcing the launch of your ebook and providing a link to purchase it. Create a landing page. Create a landing page on your website specifically for your ebook. Use a catchy headline, an eye-catching cover, and a brief summary of the ebook to entice potential buyers. Leverage influencers. Reach out to influencers in your niche and ask them to review your ebook and share it with their followers. Host giveaways. Host a giveaway on social media where participants can win a free copy of your ebook. Use paid advertising. Use paid advertising platforms such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads to promote your ebook. Participate in online communities. Join online communities related to your ebook's topic and share information about it. Optimize your ebook's metadata. Make sure your ebook's title, keywords, and description are optimized to increase its visibility on online platforms such as Amazon or Apple Books. Create a trailer video. Create a trailer video for your ebook, showcasing its content and promoting it on YouTube, Vimeo, and other video platforms. Network. Attend book fairs, author events, and other book-related events to network with other authors and booksellers, and to promote your ebook.